Yo, what up everybody? So it's Saturday XD around here. Now we're gonna play some cats. This is the game that I downloaded, and it's a freaking cool game. You can customize, for cool things. Okay, so this is not a tutorial anymore, because I've been doing tutorial I downloaded it, so let's play. See what this is. Don't need that. Okay, let's play, guys. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, this is not me. This is other guy, guys. That is not me. That's just a bet. Okay, guys, that is just a bet. I just wanted to do for a bet. Okay, let's just go to the championship. We're gonna battle someone to watch. Okay, I'm this one. What the heck? Oh, he's destroyed by me. Why don't I have a freaking wheel? Okay, so I forgot to put a wheel. Awkward. I freaking forgot to put a wheel. Sorry, guys, for the wheel. There you go, plus lives. Let's now challenge some people. So let's watch this. That is me. Where is there a chainsaw? Wow, what an epic fight. Okay, he's gonna lose. See you later, sucker. Woo! Wow, we freaking really lose. Let's try this one. Whoa. I'm gonna defeat him. And he's defeated. Sorry, this is other one. Let's try. Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! Oh my! And I'm destroyed. Rather unfair. Oh my goodness, he was OP. Let's fight this one. Whoa! What? I'm gonna destroy you. Whoa! You can't destroy me. I'm gonna boom! Oh my! I'm freaking good at this game. Woo! Let's some other guys. So this one. Whoa! What the heck? Okay, I'm defeat. No! Oh no! Oh no! Mr. Cat! No! Ah! Bye bye, Mr. Cat. Oh my god, this is so hard. This one. Let's watch this. I can't reach him. Okay, I'm just gonna quit. Yeah, gonna give up. I can't. Okay, this actually fun. Why does? Wow, what the heck? This one. I'm gonna just give up. How about we just change something a little bit? Change a little bit. Let's change to this one. I kinda like this one. Okay, with that, upgrade this. Let's replace it. No, I cannot replace it. Let's upgrade with this. There we go. There we go, baby boy. He's ready to bust that. Kick it out. Now let's fight. Let's fight now. I'm gonna die. No. Oh. Okay. Change plan. Oh my goodness, this is so hard. Oh yeah, I have this one. Oh my, why did I use that for? Let's upgrade with this one. This one, baby boy, level 2. upgraded with this one, baby boy. Yes. There we go. Boom! Oh my goodness. I think this is gonna kill someone. Let's destroy this girl. Duh! I'm gonna destroy you. Duh! Oh my goodness, I'm almost destroying him. I almost destroyed him. So this one. Okay, sack this guy. Oh, it's the same guy. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that was OP. This is a freaking destroyer, man. Okay, I can't defeat this guy. Duh! Whoa. Duh! Okay, I'm gonna win. For the win! Oh my, I died. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna keep on playing until this baby boy turns into a destroyer. Keep on playing. Big boy, let's destroy some people. Whoa! Oh my! That freaking is That's your chill lesson. Woo! That is one. You destroy me, now I destroy you. Baby boys, that's what I'm happy. Mr. Catty Cat. So this Andrew boy, I have destroyed this guy. Okay, who's gonna win this round? Oh my, still me? Why? This one, this guy. This guy. Oh my, I'm gonna lose. I'm just gonna quit that match. Let's try Kingdom. Let's see who wins. Yeah.